Everyone loves chocolate, and if we can make chocolates at home, then nothing like it. Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadai. Today we'll be making homemade chocolates using 4 simple ingredients which are always available at home. So let's quickly go over to the recipe. As always, please do like our videos, share our videos with your friends and family, and subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you have not subscribed till now. We need 2.5 tablespoons of milk powder, 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, or you can use icing sugar as well, 2.5 tablespoon of butter, and vanilla essence. Vanilla essence is optional. Firstly, we have to boil 4 to 5 cups of water in a deep kadhai like this, into which we'll place a glass bowl. Add butter in it. We need to melt butter. Ensure that butter is soft at room temperature. If the butter is hard, you can even microwave it for 1 minute. Once the butter melts, we'll switch off the flame. We have to keep this bowl in this hot water for the entire process of chocolate making. Now we'll add powdered sugar in it. You can even use icing sugar. We need to mix butter and sugar well till it becomes a thick paste like this. We'll add the mixture of milk powder as well as cocoa powder. We need to add this mixture in butter and castor sugar. Mix it well. You will see that immediately it will become a thick paste. It will absorb all the butter in it. You can see that we have kept the bowl in this hot water. This will ensure a nice mixing of all the ingredients which we have added. It is a very quick process. It will take approximately 1.5 minutes. Once the paste is ready, we'll add vanilla essence for that added flavor. Mix it well and our chocolate mixture is ready. Then fill in the prepared chocolate mixture in the chocolate molds. You can pick up any shape as per your liking. Likewise, we have filled up different design molds with the chocolate mixture. Then tap it up gently. After that, we need to place these molds in refrigerator for 1 hour for setting. After 1 hour, we'll remove the chocolates from the molds. You'll be very easily able to do that. Just have a look at this. Our homemade chocolates without using chocolate compound is ready. We have prepared a dark chocolate mixture which is bit bitter and it is quite fudgy. However, if you want that smooth, silky dairy milk kind of a chocolate, then you can use cocoa butter and even you can increase the quantity of milk powder as well as castor sugar. Isn't it an easy way to prepare chocolates at home? And that too without using chocolate compounds. So do try out the recipe and tell us how does it turn out for you. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.